Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smarthome. Today, we've got something super exciting for all you K-drama and Asian content enthusiasts out there. Have you ever wished you could watch Viki on your Samsung TV? Well, guess what? You absolutely can. I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to get Viki up and running on your Samsung TV in no time. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, make sure your Samsung TV is connected to the internet. Once you've done that, grab your remote and let's go to the Samsung Smart Hub. How to access the Smart Hub. 1. Now, scroll through the apps until you find the Samsung App Store. 2. Next, we're going to search for the Viki app. Just type Viki into the search bar, and there it is. 3. Once you've found the Viki app, simply click on it to download and install it onto your Samsung TV. 4. Fantastic. Now that we've got the app installed, let's open it up. 5. You'll need to log into your Viki account or sign up if you don't have one already. Conclusion. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy a vast library of Korean dramas, variety shows, and more right on your Samsung TV. Wasn't that easy? Now you can binge watch your favorite shows in the comfort of your own living room. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy streaming.